Welcome to the fifth part of the extension development course. In this video, we are going to learn about adding designer properties to our extension. So let's start. I have already created a fresh new project in a rush. In case you don't know about the block tags in an extension, then watch part 3 of this course to learn about it. The designer property is used in combination with the simple property block. So here, I will first teach you how to create property blocks. It is similar to creating a function block, which I taught you in the third part of this course. Here, I have created a Boolean property. I am creating a global variable to store the value of the choice from this Boolean function. Let's build and test. As you can see, the property block is created. Now we will convert this property block to designer property. To do so, we have to add a designer property annotation like this, just above the simple property code. In the editor type parameter, we have to put the type of property we want to create. In this case, I made a Boolean property, so I will add a property type constant of Boolean. The default value will be either true or false, like this in the case of a Boolean. Remember, the first letter should be capital. Now, let's build and test. As you can see, the property is created successfully. Now we will add the integer value property. The value input of this will also be an integer. Now we will change the property type to integer. And the default value too. Let's see the changes. As you can see, the integer property is also added. Next, we will create the color input property, which is most commonly used. Remember that integer is the value input used for the color property. Now we will change the property type to color. For the default value, there are a set number of already defined constants that you can use, which you can see here. Let's test it. As you can see, the color property has been added and it is working well. Here, the corresponding simple property blocks for each designer property are also added. If you want to hide any one of them, then go to the property that you want to hide and type this. As you can see, the designer property is visible for the Boolean, but the simple property block is removed. If you want to add a description to the block, then type this. That's all for this part. See you in the next one.